Hi, in today's video, we're going to be looking at a site called PaidWork, which claims that you can actually use their site to get a full-time income. That's something obviously I needed to investigate for you and find out whether it is a legit company and whether you could actually earn a full-time income working on PaidWork. Stay tuned right to the very end. Obviously, I did find out some interesting things that obviously you are going to want to know, especially if you are looking to join PaidWork. So obviously, let's jump over to the desktop and we'll go through PaidWork and we'll find out exactly whether you can earn a full-time living working with PaidWork. Okay, so here we are on the paidwork.com actual website. Okay, now it's obviously got here make money online on the phone, computer, tablet, get paid wherever you are without investment. You can obviously download their apps from the App Store and from Google Play, which is good. So that's a plus. You've obviously got the sign-in and registration forms here, how it works, resources, etc. Let's just scroll down, and as you can see here, turn your time into profit. And this is the bit that I'm obviously going to be checking out for you, because it says here the flexible solution. PaidWork is a full-time or additional job for all people from every country. So this is available worldwide, okay? So if you've had problems obviously connecting with PaidWork, let us know in the comments below which country you're from. And if it hasn't, and if it's good in all countries, then we will obviously find out from that. Obviously, I can only test it in the country I am. I'm in the UK. And I have actually signed up and registered, so I'll be able to go take you into the back of the PaidWork website very shortly. So stay tuned, because like I say, I'm going to start unrevealing some truths and whatever that you're going to want to know before you actually go and check out PaidWork. So the first thing I wanted to do is go across to PaidWork on Google Play, and as you can install it here. They've had over 5 million downloads, and you can just obviously click on the install button here. But their reviews are middle of the road. They're 3 stars, which could be better, but yeah, they've only had 11,500 reviews as well. So although that's not a great deal when they've had over 5 million downloads, 3 stars is not particularly brilliant, but there are obviously people that are using it and have used it. So like I say, it seems to be that it is paying out, etc. But let's just go and find out whether you can get paid a full-time income. Now, the first thing I want to check about, now I've come onto Trustpilot, and this is a different company. Or is it? Because I found out that this PaidWork used to be called this name here, Zakalami, I think you pronounce it. Now, as you can see here, they've actually had 825 reviews on Trustpilot, and they've got a rating of 4.6, which is fantastic. A couple of alarm bells though. They haven't got a claimed profile, and they haven't been certified their account. But as you can see, the website here is no longer available. So if we click on this, it takes us to a site which can't be reached. Okay, so apparently they've changed their name and they've changed the website, and it's become PaidWork. Okay, now we can verify this. We go on to who.is, and as we can see here, this is paidwork.com. And although the actual domain was registered back in 2005, okay, it was only updated in April of this year. Okay, so that would probably ring true that the actual website was only updated and actually went live back in April, and that's probably when the changeover took place, and the everything went from one website to the other website. I did check the same thing here as well, and the domain name has actually expired, okay, because it says it expires in November. We're now in December, so there's things going on that you just need to know about, changing of name, etc, etc. So just be wary of that. So once you've actually signed up, you go through the normal sign up process. You do have to verify your email, which is a good sign. Some of these companies that I've had that I have actually looked at before. You don't even need to verify your email, and that is totally a bit suspicious. So make sure you obviously, any site you go onto, that you have to verify your email, because then obviously it tends to be more of a legit program. Now, on the dashboard here, as you can see, I've obviously earned nothing so far. So we want to click on this button here that says earn, and we're going to find out what choices we have. So we can play games, we can fill out surveys, we can watch videos, and we can online shop. There is also micro tasks here that says it is coming soon. So by the time you watch this video, maybe that might be around. If it is, then I might make a new video anyway nearer the time. Once this is up, to obviously find out and check out exactly what that's all about. The easiest way, obviously, if we click on play games. Now it says here you can obviously play games on all these different sites here. Now these are not your usual sites for survey sites. I've never really heard of hardly any of these actually. So if we go on to the Fiber one here, and it says to get 15% more, so we click on that, and this is the same with all of these ones when you're actually trying to earn money. It says it is only available on iOS and Android mobile devices. You can't actually do it inside the website. So it looks like you are going to actually have to download the app in order to be able to do anything, and I think you'll find that others are all the same. Yeah, this one here is as well with Tapjoy, exactly the same. So I think you'll find that all of these are going to be the same. So let's have a look at filling out surveys. These should be available. There are some, although they're very limited, these sites are around on most other survey sites. So you should be able to obviously do these from your desktop. Okay, so it basically says, yeah, when you start, obviously, take this quick survey and unlock the top earning surveys for you. Okay, so surveys you can actually do from the desktop as well as the mobile as well, which is good. You've also got watch videos. This will take you to this other site, Fiber. And again, it's telling you can only do this from the Apple Store. And of course, this can be a bit put off because some people want to sit down and actually use their computer or laptop because it's a lot quicker and a lot easier. When you're fiddling around on your phone to fill in stuff and play games and that sort of thing, it's not always a good thing. So this can be and could be a restriction for this actual site. You've got online shopping again as well, and again you've only got these choices here, Tapjoy and Fiber, and again it's telling you to go onto the app. So it looks as if they're not really set the website up for earning online at all. Now that could be quite difficult as well when they actually claim, like they actually did on the front of their website, that you could earn a full-time or additional job. Okay, I think you're really going to struggle to earn a full-time job. Most of the survey sites, etc., that I do reviews on, you're going to earn a few bucks a month. You might earn a couple of $100 if you really do work at it and spend a lot of time. But again, with this one, I think you might struggle a little bit, and I think you, although you will probably earn money and you will get money out, then I think you're just going to take a lot longer to do so by the looks of it, because they're very limited on how you can actually earn. And it says here 100 points at the top here is going to give you about 80 pence, so that's roughly probably about $1. So 100 points equals $1. If you go to the billings tab, and it says this is how you get paid, you have to add in your payment method here, but you can only add it in once you've hit the earnings threshold. But in the earnings threshold, it's around about £8, $10. So it's not that high, which is good. So that's another good feature. But again, you still got to probably do a little bit of work to hit that threshold. All in all, with the paid work, it's going to be difficult to obviously start earning some cash here, guys. You will earn cash. It looks like you're going to obviously get paid out once you hit the threshold of $10. But trying to hit that threshold, I think, could take you a while. I'm going to give it a go and see if we can hit that threshold and how easy we can hit that threshold, and find out a little bit more about it. I'll go and download the app and then do another video all about PaidWork and find out exactly how they're going to pay out, etc. So if you want to check out PaidWork, I will put a link in the description below here, where you can obviously go and check it out for yourselves. Okay, trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button here. Don't forget to check out my other videos on ways to make money online. And also, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and you will get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We will see you on the next video.